In this video, I will show you how you can find the model number and the generation of any iPad. Now to do that, just open settings on your iPad. Then in the main settings page, just tap on general. From here, just tap on about. Now on this page, you will find the model number and the model name of your iPad. As you can see, this is the model number. And in most iPads, the generation of the iPad is written with the model name of the iPad. But in some other iPads, like the iPad I have over here, the generation of the iPad is not listed over here. Now to find the generation of your iPad, just tap and hold on the model number and select copy. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open Safari. And in the search bar, just paste the model number which we have copied earlier. And with that, just type generation. And as you can see, it has given us the details of our iPad, and the generation of our iPad is the 11th generation. And this is how you can find the model number and the generation of any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.